Hi everyone, today's topic is three-dimensional shapes. What is a solid figure? A solid figure is a three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional means that the figure has measures in three directions such as length, width and height. Here we are given a solid figure having three dimensions. Those are length, width, or we can call it as breadth also, and height. So this figure is a three-dimensional figure. Here we are having some examples of three-dimensional figures. Cube, cylinder, rectangular prism, cone, pyramid. These all are having three dimensions. So these are all examples of three-dimensional figures. 2D shapes and 3D shapes. By looking at this figure, we can come to know what are 2D shapes and what are 3D shapes. Here, all these shapes are having only two dimensions. So, they are called two-dimensional shapes. Whereas, all these shapes are having three dimensions. So, these are called three-dimensional shapes. In this figure, we can see edges, faces and vertices. Edges means the line segments. Vertices means the points. Faces means the flat surfaces. Let us discuss about all these in detail. What are the parts of a solid figure? The face is the flat surface of a solid figure. Here, this flat surface is called face of a solid figure. All the flat surfaces of the figure are called faces of the solid figure. Next, the vertex is the point where three or more edges of a solid figure meet. The vertex is sometimes called a corner. Three or more edges meet at one point. That point is called vertex or corner of the figure. The edge is the line segment where two faces of a solid figure meet. Two faces meet at one line segment. That line segment is called edge of the solid figure. Properties of 3D shapes. Cone. A cone is having two faces. Bottom one circular face and one curved face. So it is having two faces, one edge. These two faces are meeting here. So this is one edge and one vertex. Sphere. A sphere is having one face, that is one curved face and zero vertices. It is not having any vertices. Tetrahedron. It is having four faces. 1, 2, 3 and backside 1. Four faces, 6 edges. Count the number of line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Next, cuboid. A cuboid is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Here 1, 2, 3, backside 1 face 4, here 5, 6 bottom 1, 6 faces, 12 edges. Count all the line segments, you will get 12 edges and 8 vertices. Count all the corners, you will get 8 vertices. Next, cylinder. A cylinder is having 3 faces. Top one circular face, bottom one circular face and one curved face. Altogether 3 faces, 2 edges. Here this face and this face are joining here, so this is one edge, and bottom circular face and curved face are joining here, so it is one edge. So it is having 2 edges and 0 vertices. No points are here, so 0 vertices. Next, cube. A cube is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Next, triangular prism is having 5 faces. 1, 2, 3. Here this side 4 and bottom one 5 faces, 9 edges. Count all the line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bottom you will get 7, 8 and 9. Next, 6 vertices. Count all the points, you will get 6 vertices. And here for a square based pyramid, it is having 5 faces. Bottom one square face and 4 triangular faces. 8 edges. Count the line segments, you will get 8 edges and 5 vertices. Points to remember from this chapter are: a figure that has 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height, is called a 3-dimensional figure. These are all the examples of 3-dimensional figures: cone, cube, cylinder, pyramid, rectangular prism, sphere. And here properties of 3D shapes are: cone. Cone is having 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Sphere is having 1 face and 0 vertices. Tetrahedron is having 4 faces, 6 edges and 6 vertices. Cuboid is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cylinder is having 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 vertices. Cube is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Triangular prism is having 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. And square base pyramid is having 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. These are the three-dimensional shapes which we'll use in our daily life. Cone. The cone is a circle. These are the three-dimensional geometrical shapes which we use in our daily life. Cone. A circular base, a point, and a big curve to connect them. It's having a circular base, a point, and a big curve to connect these. Examples: ice cream, a party hat, traffic cone, the tip of the flag. Next, cube. It is having 6 square faces and 8 vertices. Example: ice cube, block, Lagos, box. Cylinder. 2 circle bases and a big curve wrapped around. It is having 2 circular bases and a big curve wrapped around. Examples of cylinder are can of a Play-Doh, cup, tire, marker, can, etc. Sphere. No flat areas. It is having only curved surface like a ball, and examples are balls, marbles, eyeball, balloon, yarn, etc. Pyramid. A square base, 4 triangle faces. It is having a square base and 4 triangular faces. Example: pyramids in Egypt. Rectangular prism. 2 square faces, 4 rectangular faces. Examples are boxes, eraser, book, tissue box, like that. Hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Thank you.